super yang terhormat, saat mendarat sudah dekat, silahkan kembali ke tempat duduk Anda, kencangkan sabuk pengaman, tegakkan sandaran kursi, melipat meja dan membuka penutup jendela. Semua peralatan elektronik harus dimatikan. Kami beritahukan juga setelah mendarat nanti agar tetap duduk sampai pesawat berhenti dengan sempurna. Dan lampu tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman dipadamkan. Telepon genggam dapat digunakan setelah Anda berada di dalam gedung terminal. Terima kasih. Dear super guests, we will be landing shortly. Please return to your seat. Fasten your seat belt. Your seat back is upright. Table is stowed in your window shade is up. Please ensure all electronic devices are switched off now. We would like to inform you that after landing, you are to remain seated until the aircraft has come to completely stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Your mobile phones may be used after you are in the terminal building. Thank you. super yang terhormat, kita baru saja mendapati Bandara Udara Internasional Igusti Ngurah Rai di Denpasar, Bali. Waktu setempat menunjukkan pukul 12:48 menit. Ada perbedaan waktu 1 jam lebih cepat antara Denpasar dan Jakarta. Silakan tetap duduk dan mengenakan sabuk pengaman Anda sampai pesawat ini berhenti dengan sempurna dan lampu tanda sabuk pengaman dipadamkan. Apabila membuka tempat bagasi kabin, untuk berhati-hati agar tidak ada barang yang terjatuh, dan sebelum meninggalkan, pastikan kembali seluruh barang-barang bawaan Anda tidak ada yang tertinggal. Kami ucapkan selamat berpisah dan terima kasih atas penerbangan Anda bersama Superjet. Dear Supercast, we have just landed at Igusti Ngurah Rai, the International Airport of Denpasar, Bali. The local time now is 12:49 p.m. There is 1 hour ahead between Denpasar and Jakarta times. Please remain seated and fasten your seatbelt until the aircraft is completely stopped and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please pay attention when opening luggage bin as some items may fall out, and before disembarking, please check your personal belongings so there is nothing left behind. We would like to say goodbye to all passengers and thank you for flying with Superjet.